In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get squadron vehicles in War Thunder fast. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to comment about the two main ways to get squadron vehicles fast in War Thunder, and I'm gonna give you additional tips on how to go about doing this. So the primary way, and the one that most people will go through, is going to be by getting squadron research points, often shortened to SRPs. So first, join an active squadron. The more active your squadron is, the faster that you will earn these points. Look for squadrons with a good number of active members and a high activity level. And the most important thing is to play regularly. The more you play War Thunder, the more SRPs you will earn. Focus on playing modes that you enjoy and are good at to maximize your RP gain. There is going to be a limit of 20,000, so keep that in mind. You will be able to gather up every 3 days, so every 3 days you will be getting 20,000 points. Remember to participate in the events. Some squadrons might do events, and as long as they are organized, you will be able to take part in them to try and earn as much additional SRP as you can. The next way is going to be through Golden Eagles. Of course, these are a premium currency, so I assume most people won't be comfortable using them, but it is a consideration that you can make if you want to speed up this process by a good chunk. Now, for additional tips, remember to choose your squadron wisely. Look for a squadron that aligns with your playstyle and goals. A good squadron will have active members, which is very important, willing to help you progress. Remember to be active and set realistic goals. As long as you play regularly, there is no secret to this. Every 3 days, you will be able to comfortably get 20,000 SRPs, or the necessary points, and you will be able to do the research using those points. Look for squadrons and you will be able to get it. I hope I was able to help you on how to get squadron vehicles in War Thunder fast. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.